Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be talking about Golub Capital. They're going to be traded on the NASDAQ under the ticker GBDC. Let's get into this one. So, taking a quick look here at the company overview, it states that Golub Capital primarily invests in first lien senior secured loans to middle market companies sponsored by private equity firms. GBDC is managed by GC Advisors LLC, an affiliate of Golub Capital, an industry-leading lender to U.S. middle-market companies with over $70 billion in capital under management. And down below, too, it gives a quick highlight as far as their investment portfolio being $8.2 plus billion, with 380 plus investments as well. But what I'd really like to draw your attention to is on the right-hand side here with the diversification by industry. Now, this just gives a great breakdown as far as what Golub Capital is actually investing in. And so you can see a big space there at 27% is actually in software, followed by 7% with healthcare providers and services, and then 6% being into specialty retail as well as insurance. Now, there's other industries as well, for instance, being IT services at 4%, 3% at pharmaceuticals and food products, and then there's also 37 other industries below that 3% mark as well, which actually makes up 24%. But let's look a little bit more into actually the dividend and what that actually looks like for Golub Capital. All right, and for their dividend history here, currently their payout ratio is sitting at about 92.62% with about 4 years of dividend increases. Now, their dividend frequency is going to be quarterly or 4 times a year, and since they're in the financial sector, that average yield in that industry is about 3.18%. Now, taking a look at Golub Capital specifically, their dividend yield is just slightly over that 10% mark. And at the time of recording this video, they are currently trading at $15.14 with a 52-week high of $17.72 and a 52-week low of $14.05. Now, for the final rating here, it's a bit of a toss-up with this one. It is nice to see that the 52-week high and low has such a small difference, going from $17 to about $14, or a $3 difference in total. The yield at just over 10% is pretty nice. Again, that's going to be a quarterly dividend payout as well. However, that payout ratio is still pretty high there at just over 90% too. So something to definitely keep an eye on there, especially as we start going more into 2025 and get some more results from the company itself. But ultimately, too, guys, what would you guys give GBDC or Golub Capital a rating on a scale of 1 to 10? Also, too, down below, drop a comment. Let us know what company, what ETF you guys would like us to review in a future video. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.